Привет and welcome to Putnik School. Today we're gonna talk about vocabulary that's gonna be pretty useful for you if you are going to the airport in any Russian speakers country. It's not just Russia. Don't forget to check out our website. There you can find translate of these phrases, translation, and also you can find many tips. On our website, you can find a lot of courses, free tools, and a lot of ways to learn Russian and practice. Don't forget to pause the video and repeat after me. That's going to be really useful for you and it will help you to memorize. Repeat out loud. You can back for 5 seconds before and listen it again. Okay? It's going to be very good practice for you. So let's start with phrase number 1. Где мой паспорт? Где мой паспорт? Где мой паспорт? Вот мой паспорт. Вот мой паспорт. This phrase you can use in a passport control. When they ask you a passport, you can say «Вот мой паспорт». Сколько стоит багаж? Сколько стоит багаж? In case if you have overweight or forgot to include bagage in your tickets. Next phrase. Где выход? Где выход? This one can be you can use for two ways. First of all is that where is the exit? So if you need to find the exit from the airport, you can ask где выход? Or if you are already after the passport control and you are looking for your gate, you also can use this phrase. For example, where, где, выход, and point and the number on your ticket. So the staff at the airport will help you to find it. Next one is у меня пересадка. У меня пересадка. Like I have a layover or I have the transit. Actually, in Russian, you can also use the word transit. See, but we're not like we use it more bright, like transit. So people will understand because we use the same word. So you can use у меня пересадка or у меня transit. The word пересадка you can use not just at the airport, but also out of the airport. With the next phrase, it's going to be very useful not just at the airport. It is where is the toilet? Extremely useful phrases for all places. Где туалет? Где туалет? Где туалет? Next one, in case if you lost your baggage, you can ask Я потерял багаж. Я потерял багаж. Я потерял багаж. Or if you would like to confirm that this is your luggage, you can say Это мой багаж. Это мой багаж. Это мой багаж. And sometimes we can use the word чемодан. Это мой чемодан. So you can use это мой багаж. Это мой багаж. Or это мой чемодан. Это мой чемодан. Next phrase. Во сколько посадка? Во сколько посадка? Во сколько посадка? What time is the boarding? Во сколько посадка? And the last one, very useful word, спасибо. Спасибо. In Russia, we prefer to be polite. Спасибо. Thank you. Don't forget to check out our close community in Telegram. There, you can find daily video and audio messages from native speakers. Also, a lot of PDF files with the useful information about Russian, such as a grammar, for example. And of course, a lot of transcriptions and videos that you can watch, not just from our teachers, but also from some Russian celebrities, from YouTube videos, vlogs, and so on. It's going to be very, very good push up to your Russian journey. Спасибо for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next videos.